In today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix WhatsApp verification call not working. Now in this situation, the first thing that you need to verify is that the phone number that you've entered is correct. If you're entering a completely wrong phone number, then you won't be able to receive the verification code or the verification call. The other thing that you'll also need to make sure is that the internet connection or the network that you're on is stable. If you're currently on a Wi-Fi network, you can also try switching between a cellular data. Now, if this is not the issue for you, what you also need to ensure is that the phone or the SMS permission is granted for WhatsApp. So to ensure that, you can just hop out of the app, tap and hold the app, and then head over to this eye icon. From this settings page, you'll need to head over to permissions and make sure that the phone or the SMS option is set to allow. If this is not set to allow, then you won't be able to receive either the SMS or the call verification as well. What you can also try out apart from these solutions is you can try to clear the WhatsApp cache. Just tap and hold the WhatsApp again, head back to the same settings, and right here you'll see the option called storage. From the storage option, just tap on the clear cache option. You should be now able to fix the WhatsApp verification call not working. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still facing this issue, then it is likely the case and the problem from WhatsApp side. So you just need to wait out a couple of minutes or sometimes even a couple of hours before you try to receive the code again. If this kind of video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.